Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's learn. In this video tutorial, I'd like to show you how you can copy text and images from different places and paste it later on using Windows Clipboard feature. First of all, go to Windows Search and search for Clipboard setting. Now turn this on. The Clipboard feature is enabled now. You can copy different text from multiple locations and put it on your clipboard. However, if you simply click paste on destination, only the latest copy will be pasted. To paste from the clipboard, simply hold Windows logo and press V on the keyboard. Clipboard will provide you the list of copied items. You can select any of them and paste it. In this way, it will ease your task of copy and paste. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and like this video.